Hello children. Children, today our topic is air and water. And we all know that these two things are essential to our life. Children, have you ever noticed leaves fluttering on trees? What is moving them? It is air. Yes, air is a mixture of gases surrounding the earth. And it is everywhere. We cannot see it, we cannot touch it, we can only feel it moving. And the moving air is called wind. Children, all living beings need air to breathe and to stay alive. We all breathe in oxygen rich air and we all breathe out carbon dioxide rich air. Children, what else do we know about air? Yes, there are many fun facts that we should know about air. And one of them is that air fills space. And how do we know it? Children, we experienced it with a balloon. How? Let's see. If we take a balloon and we blow air into it, what do we notice, children? We notice that the balloon blows up, which shows that the air occupies the space in the balloon. Children, another interesting fact about air is that air has weight. And to find it out, let's take a 12-inch ruler and now with the help of a thread hang a deflated balloon at the one side and an inflated balloon on another side. Now, what do you notice? Children, now we notice that the balloon which has air is having more weight. It shows that the air has weight. Children, we all know that air is essential to our life because life is not possible without air. But right now, we are facing a critical problem with air, and that is air pollution. What is air pollution? Children, when air becomes dirty and polluted due to the smoke coming from factories, companies, vehicles and burnings, etc., the smoke makes the air polluted and harmful for us. Children, we all should try to keep our air clean as a clean air is important for our health. Children, what else can we do to keep our air clean? We should plant as more trees as we can, as plants clean up the air. Now, let's know about water, another essential thing for life. Children, water is essential for the survival of all the living beings like human beings, for animals and for plants. Children, more than 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water, and water is derived from various sources like from oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, wells and so on. Children, oceans and seas are very large water bodies. They contain salty water which is not at all drinkable. Rivers are the water bodies that are smaller than oceans and seas but larger than ponds and lakes. Although rivers water is fresh and usable, but we should always clean the water before use. Lakes and ponds are smaller than rivers and they are surrounded on all sides by land. Children, as we all know that we use water in various domestic purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning, etc. Children, just like us, plants need water to live and grow, and animals also need water to drink and to bathe. Children, as we all know that water is essential to us, we should always remember some do's and some don'ts to save the water. What are the do's that we should remember to do? Children, we should water the plants with the water that is left after washing vegetables, fruits or other things. The leftover water in the water bottle can be given to pet animals, and we should also collect the rainwater as it can be used for washing our car and for many other purposes. Now, let's see the don'ts that we should remember. Okay, we should not leave the tap open while it is not in use. Children, we should avoid a shower bath. Rather, we should take a mug and a bucket to take a bath. And we should not use the hose pipe to water plants. Children, we all know that water is vital for us, but right now we are facing a critical problem with water too. That is water pollution. Now, what is water pollution? Water pollution is when water becomes dirty and polluted. And how does it happen? Water becomes dirty and polluted because factories dump their waste in the rivers, and all the waste from the cities is also dumped into rivers and seas. And this is called water pollution. Children, we should remember the things that we learned today in this session as it was very important. So that's it for today, children. I hope you enjoyed this session. We will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.